Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Gosika reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site, and it is an online shopping store that deals with women's clothing options and various clothing items including dresses like midi dresses, maxi dresses and vacation dresses, tops, two pieces set, casual dresses, sweaters and cardigans, etc. So you can view the exclusive collection of this site by visiting the product category options, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true as they are offering discounts on these products. Now talking about the payment information of the site, guys, let's check out the payment info. So they have not provided a particular payment information section, so let's check out the FAQ section to know more about payment if they have mentioned. But guys, I'm not able to view any payment info. So this is a negative sign. Now talking about the shipping and delivery information, let's check out the shipping and delivery info. So here they have mentioned that the postal shipping and express shipping will take around 35 business days, and they are offering free shipping for order over $79. Guys, the shipping policy page seems to be copied from other websites, which is a negative sign. Now talking about the company's information, let's check out the about us page. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. And guys, talking about the domain information of this site, this domain name was created on 29th of January 2021. So this is a newly launched website, guys, and the site is 1 month old website or few days, but according to our study we have found that this domain is registered for 1 year only. It means that short expectancy domain is there, and we can't claim this website legit on the basis of this domain age factor. Now coming to the about us information, so they have provided improper and incorrect information about the company details, and which is a negative sign, guys. Apart from that, they have not mentioned the entire details according business offering, business brand connection info, and business establishment year, business owner name. So this is a negative sign. Coming to the contact details of this website, you need to visit the contact us page. So here is the contact us page, guys, and they have mentioned a query form for your queries, but they have not provided the contact details including email address, contact number and official address, which is a negative sign. Now talking about the social media presence, so guys, the site has social media presence on Facebook and Instagram, and the Facebook profile has 3 followers only, which is a negative sign as the site is newly launched. And on Instagram the site has 2027 followers on Instagram. So this is a positive sign that the site has social media presence on social media platforms. But let's check out the return policy to know more about the site's information. Now guys, talking about return policy, so this is the return policy page, and they have provided strict and return unrealistic return policy, guys. They have mentioned that they do not accept the return package without authorized from the customer service, and you can return your product within 30 days upon receipt. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about Gosika reviews, we have found various reviews which are positive on the official website, but guys, we are not able to find customer reviews about this site on the internet, which is a negative sign. So you can take a look at the various comments or reviews which are posted on the official website. So these are the customer reviews, but guys, we are not able to find the exact verified IDs of these customers or profile pictures. So this is a negative sign. So it means that we can't claim the site legit on the basis of these posted reviews. So guys, this site is a newly launched website with low trust index score, which is 1%, and low popularity, low trust within a score, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, they have used cropped images and they have provided short product description, which is again a negative sign. So there are so many loopholes that creates a confusion or makes the site suspicious. So guys, we do not recommend you to buy anything from this site, and it's too new to define its legitimacy, so you need to wait for some time before making any online purchase, and we recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. Guys, there is a high alert, so please explore the website before making any online purchase. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. To comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.